Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a Wawa gift card. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in store.wawa.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Wawa store website. Now from the homepage, you will directly see the purchase gift cards option. Go ahead and click on it and this will now show you the various different gift cards that are available. Just click on whichever one you wish to purchase and then click on the add to cart option. This will now be added to your cart. You can click on view cart to check out all of the items within your cart, or you can click on the checkout button. Once you click on checkout, you will need to log in to your existing account. Just type in your email address and then click on continue, and you will be asked to enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to your inbox. So just check your inbox and enter this code within the given screen and click on submit. Once you are logged in, you will directly be taken into the checkout page. Just enter your delivery address and then choose your shipping method. After choosing your payment method, you will need to enter your credit card number. Enter your card number followed by your expiration date and the security code or the CVV number. Then enter the name that is displayed within your card. And after filling all of these information, if you have a discount code, you can enter this within the discount code box. Then click on the apply button, and after entering all of your payment information, click on the pay now button to finalize your payment. Once your payment has been made, you will get a notification letting you know about when your gift card will be delivered. And there you have it. That is how you can purchase a gift card from the Wawa store website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.